Hello everyone, welcome to this video on bold reports. When working with parameter-based reports, displaying all the data at once can be overwhelming, making it difficult to find specific sections, leading to missed insights. Applying filtering to parameter-based reports allows users to focus on the data easily. This simplifies navigation and helps present concise and meaningful insights. In this video, I will show you how to apply filters to a parameter-based report using the Bold Reports Designer. This technique works for both web and desktop report designers, but I will use the web version for this demo. Let's get started. First, I create a new report in the report server, naming it Parameter-Based Filters Report. Next, I create a data source using the AdventureWorks database in the SQL server, and name it AdventureWorks. Since I already have the database details as a connection string, I use the advanced option to add it. Next, I use none as the authentication type, as the connection string already has the credentials. This button connects to the data source and launches the query designer. I name the dataset Sales Dataset and switch to code mode because I already have an SQL query. I enter the query and click Run to see the values retrieved from the database and displayed in the preview area. I click Finish to create the dataset. Before adding the table, let me add a header. I enable the header area, add a rectangle that acts as a container for the text, and resize it. I change the background color to enhance the look. To add the header text, I add a text box inside the rectangle and type Sales Report. I format the text by changing the font type, color, size, weight, and vertical alignment. If you see extra space around the text, you can resize the text box and rectangle to adjust it. Now the header has been added. Next, I need to create a table to display sales details. I add a table and the necessary columns. Next, I add product ID, tracking number, quantity, unit price, and total. I assign its corresponding values to the data row. Then, I add a row inside the group below for the sum of the items. Since the currency value must be displayed in the currency format, I select the unit price and total value cells and change the format to currency with 2 decimal points. Once the values are assigned to the table, I need to apply some basic formatting to enhance its appearance. I select the header row and change the font family, weight, text alignment, vertical alignment, background color, and color. In the same way I format the value rows. Next, to create a report parameter to filter and customize the data displayed in a report, I open the Parameters panel. I click on the New Parameter to add one. In the Name field, I enter Product ID. In the Prompt field, Product ID. And in the Data Type field, select Integer and click on Assign Values to select data dynamically. Next, in the Dataset field, I select Sales Dataset. And in the Value field, select Product ID and label field Product ID. Then I save the parameter. Lastly, I will show you how to filter a table based on a report parameter. To filter a table based on the report parameter, I choose the table report item to enable the grouping panel. I click on the Details field in the grouping panel and open the Properties panel and select the Set Filters button to add a filter. Next, I click the Add icon on the Filters page to add the filters to the report. Then I save the filters. Now everything is ready to preview the report. I switch to Preview at the top panel. Select the product ID in the parameter and click View Report. You will see the report displayed based on the selected product ID. In this video, I have shown you how to apply filters on a parameter-based report in an RDL report using the Bold Reports Designer. The description below includes a link to the blog used in this tutorial. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.